getting hot in here. Take off all your clothes. I am getting so hot. I'm gonna take my clothes off. No, not really. Sup, guys? Hello. Oh my god, you guys are back already. Hello, Sai, you're here too. Let us prepare. Hello, Noon. Yo, what's up? John, JFix, that's crazy. I had a customer come to my door again while I was off stream, so here we are. Something different. What's that? Pff, I've never heard of it neither. He showed me how it works and stuff. Apparently they're usually on boats, but he's got a hot tub and he used it for his hot tub, so it's very well worn. It's just a locker for your phone, and obviously you can control your phone, and it's very, very sealed. Ugh. There you go. And yeah, you control it from here, so you can skip songs, turn up your volume somehow. It connects, I don't know how it works, but what's that? Headphone, I don't know, radio, USB, Bluetooth, aux. And apparently, well, he said that these buttons don't work, which you could see the wires broken in there, so I've got to try and figure out how I can sort that out. And also this button here doesn't work, but with the remote it does work. You could turn it on and off using the remote. And he's given me instructions on how to use it. It says press button and should go red. So you press the on button and it should go red. And then press the button twice and it goes blue, it means it's connected. No input via the 3.5mm jack, which is there, I guess. No input via USB. Oh, maybe it doesn't work at all. And it does work with Bluetooth and does work with radio. So because of the nature of this is a waterproofing product type thing, or water resistant should I say, I guess it's probably corroded inside. So yeah, we're gonna have to look to see what this issue is. So something different. Like literally I try and repair anything I can get my hands on. It looks relatively easy to go in. Now he said he hooked it up to 12 volts, so I could use my bench power supply to give it 12 volts, and the fuse is there, and he said he's measured the output of the fuse and he's getting it. I don't know how he done that, how he measured it, but you can just literally just pull out the fuse, or you could just test it on the top here. So that's the first thing I am going to do. Let's see if we do get continuity on this fuse, which is a 15 amp fuse. And do we get continuity? We do. So it's not the fuse then, like he said. I am going to put in my bench power supply. He says he is getting voltage out. Just to see if we get any light, I guess. So red probe in the red section. This is actually going to be quite hard to do. And then black on black. And then go up to 12 Vs. Actually, I won't go 12 Vs straight away. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There you go, we're at 12 volts now. And it's not pulling anything. So if I press the on button, if I could open it. This is so awkward. Ugh. Oh, it's closed. There you go, it's open. Now pressing the power button. Yeah, we get nothing. So that's kind of strange. And to see if we are getting 12 volts, let's go to voltage DC. Oh, I can't test it. Multi-meet. Duh, I'm so stupid. Yeah, something new, yeah. I've not even put in 12 volts into it. My power supply's not connected to my leads. Oh, God. What a day. Yeah, something new. Yeah, it's a digital media locker. Never heard of them before. There we go. Now we're getting 12 volts. Right, I'm not going to inject 12 volts straight into it because I'm a scaredy cat. Let's do 6 volts. Half the rated voltage. Oh, we got a short. Dead short. What? How is that a short? What? That maxed out with the amps at 6 volts. Hang on. Check for continuity. Black, black, red, red. Yeah, look at that. We have a short between black and red. So that's why it's not powering on. That should be a nice easy find then if there's a short. But how has he said he's getting 12 volts out of here then? We still getting fuse okay, yeah? Yeah, fuse is still okay. Huh. Unless that's not ground. But it would be because they're the two thickest wires. Right, let's just get into it then. Obviously there is a short. The phone keeps going off. It's getting warm in here now. Yeah. Nothing that important. Right, let's get into it. Yo, Mr. Blair, or M. Blair, sorry man. Hello, welcome back. That was a nice little break. Wow, they're nice and long screws. Oh. Okay, now does this just... Whoa, 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 whoa. What's this? It's a piece of paper in there, look. You could write a little love letter to someone and... Oh, okay. Okay, so... What's the highest voltage capacitor? 16 volts. That's not going to be high. That's good. So where's the fault then, guys? Where's the black and red? Black and reds go there. Okay. They've used a lot of glue. So if it says Bluetooth works and something else works, how... What? Okay, cool. So there is must be a short on here. If I just disconnect, is it this ribbon cable that's preventing it? No, what's preventing it from stretching? This one. Damn it. Okay. So if I just disconnect you for now, mister. Like, bloody glue. There, now I should have more room. There you go. That'll do for room for a minute. I don't want to disconnect everything. Okay, so we do have... I'm going to zoom in for you guys so you can see a little bit better. Hold on. I know Phil's streaming at the minute. Well, it don't really help much, but it's better, I guess. Right. So fuse. I mean, right, let's get the multimeter. Let's see if there is definitely... Yeah, it's definitely short between B plus and ground, yeah. B plus, that's battery plus. Oh no, there's not short there now. Wait, what? B plus and ground. No, there's not a short there anymore. Okay, but at least it's all labelled. Maybe that's not the positive. Wait, it must be. What? Ground, positive. Yeah, we have got a short. Ground and positives there. 100% there's a short. Straight 0 ohm short. Albert, hello. Hello, hello. Do I just go straight to voltage injection, do you reckon? See what lights up. So there's a ground test point there, and there's battery plus. Wait, now it's stopped again. Now there's not a short. Why is it sometimes showing up and then sometimes don't? Is it the capacitor's charging it? See, now we're fine. I guess the capacitors are charging it. I don't know where these capacitors are charging it from. How am I going to power this up? I don't understand. You've got B plus, and you've got P minus. I don't know how I'm going to power it up. Hang on. Yeah, I saw a diagram on the box here somewhere. Alright, it says here left rear speaker. Yeah, that's fine. So you got here, please put a fuse into the box, which there's a fuse in there. 12 volt plus DC in the red color wire. Okay, so that's 100% 12 volt in the red color wire with the fuse. Yellow's not connected. You need 12 volt DC in the blue color and DC ground black color. So blue is also 12 volts. So this one's also 12 volt. Is that one short to ground? Well, it's just going to beep anyway, isn't it? Because it's weird. No, it's not short. But then positive to negative is not short now neither. Oh, this is strange. So okay, so let me inject, put voltage into the 12 volt rail again. I'm only going to do 1 volt to begin with. Alright, you can see on the... Oops, I think I might have done something. Nope, there you go. Now we're getting 1 volt. And if I go to the red again, and then the black... Oh, we're not getting a short this time. What? Okay, do 2 volts. 3. Right, we are drawing something. I think this is normal though. We're drawing 400 milliamps. Right, are we lit up on the box? We're drawing 407 milliamps. This is such a pain to open because it's spring loaded. Right. I can't press the button. Alright, yeah. There's no light on there. You said there's no light. But I think he said it does work with the remote. So where's the remote? There it is. Press it once. No. Huh. Right, so I think it's normal. It's just pulling a constant 360 milliamps. I don't know if the thermal cam's going to help it, DJ. So I don't know if this is normal it pulling that anyway before powering on. I think it probably... This thing isn't even connected. I forgot to connect this. Back up. Let me try and connect it back up. That could be the power switch. No, the switch for the power's there. Alright, hold on. Disconnect that. Let's connect this back up. Could be important. That could be what's shorting it. Alright, red on red. Black on ground. Yeah, that's shorted straight away. That literally shorted right away. So this stupid thing is causing the short. Whatever's on the other side of this. I'll do 1 volt. No, not 10 volts. 1 volt, okay. Now red on red. And then black on black. Alright, we're not getting anything. 2 volts. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What? We're not getting a short now. What the fudge? No, we're not getting a short. No, there's no short. There isn't no short. Drop the voltage first, yeah. It's right, there's no short. It was just it connecting like a mini spark. I thought it was going crazy. Okay, so I think I'm going to have to look at the button first, because he said about it could be the button. It seems to me that it's fine. So let's take out the button first. Right. That's kind of stripping it a little bit. Try a different one. Oh, Jesus Christ, got it. That was a stiff screw. Okay. Is there power going to the switch? The hell? Oh. Okay, made me jump. Yo, Blue, hello. You're up early. On, off, on, off. Oh, okay. Okay. I see something. Look, if you look under the scope. How are you, Blue? That middle joint there don't look too good, does it? Like, where's all the solder on there? Where are my tweezers? I know it might not be it, because it is still technically soldered, but that's very weak. Very, very weak. And that's going to this connector here, which is connector. I don't know, that might be it. Crack joint maybe, yeah. I'll give it some solder, see what it does. If I could keep it still, it's going to be hard to keep still. It's just free flowing at the minute. Right, let's give some solder. Beautiful. Wonder if the power button works now. That'd be crazy if it did. Better than factory look. Ventru MK, hi. Digital Media Locker. Yeah. How did you know that? You're so smart. Right. Wow. That's a nice solder blob. Anyway, let's try it now. Wonder if there's a way I could... No, I can't. Can I back probe? Don't think I could even back probe. Yeah. I think I could... Can I back probe that? Is that going in? No. Alright, I'm just gonna have to try and do this somehow. This is so awkward, guys, honestly. Wait, what's a media locker? Apparently you put your phone in it and it's supposed to like stop it from getting damaged from the water and stuff. And the power button isn't working. Oh wait, oh, that is the power button. What I disconnected originally. Oh, there you go. So we don't even need to look at the front. We could just put power in there and press the button. Okay, cool. So red on red, black on black. I'll put it back in the shot in a second. Actually, no, you can see just here. Can you see? Yeah. So black on a black, red on red. There you are. And a power in 12Vs. Good. Right, and the power button, is it working? Oh, fuck. No. Still no light. Wait. Or turn it on by there first. And then use the remote. No. Ah, fudge. Did I say the F word? I don't think I did. Used to do some assembly, haven't done it in decades. What? Been researching assembly. Oh. Press the button and should go red. So this should go red. But it's not. It says even LED to red and then blue. I want to see if there's voltage going to it, obviously, but it's hard to hold. Oh, got it sparked. It's hard to hold it into position. There you go. And I can't even check for voltage because I'm using my probes. Yeah, blue wire needs voltage too. That's what it said. But is that... 12 plus 12 volt DC blue colour. Does that needs to be connected as well? If so, I'm gonna have to try and bloody jump it. Hmm. Yeah, I guess maybe the blue one needs to be 12 volts as well. Which the blue one, no, the blue one only goes to Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. So I don't think that's important. No, it doesn't come with a cord, no. That's fine, I'll try and figure something out. Maybe use these screws to back probe so I could then clamp. I don't think it will go in there. How on earth am I going to inject voltage? Screw that in. Banana plugs. They're banana plugs. No. Shove some wire down there. Just some thick wire and wedge it in. Why didn't somebody think of that before? There you go. Look at that. That's good for negative. And don't know how well it's going to stay in there. I should have another one somewhere. Yep, there we go. There it is. There you go. This could be for positive. Shove it in there. That's too big, that side. There you go. Well, that's not very in there. Very good. It's not staying in there very well. Oh, this side will though. No, it won't. Oh, health and safety is at your door. I know, right? Oh, now the other ones fell out. This might not work. Let's shove that right in there. That won't shove in there. That will. Right, okay. I think I could probably do that. Let's have a look. So make sure that's on red. Red. Right, turn off the voltage first. There you go, there's nothing going in there. Black on black. Here we go, is it going to go bang? Nope, we're good. We're drawing 390, 400 milliamps. Right, it's sitting at nice 400 milliamps. And now I can get my multimeter and check for stuff. Right, is the button getting a power? No, button's not getting power. Okay. Is there anything coming from this side? Assuming that's... Oh no, that's not even power, that's the LED. What? What's the power button connected to then? Is it simply just these two outer things? I don't think it is. No. They're both ground. Hey? Oh. Oh. Is it these two? No. Right, you've got ground there, 3.3 volts there. And as you can see, this is not receiving 3.3 volts. So you've got test points here. You've got system power, which is nothing. 3.3 is nothing. And K1, whatever that stands for, is nothing. You can't see. I know I can't really zoom in anymore. Maybe if I go, I can zoom in. I could do this. So here. So ground on ground. System power. So that should be the whole 12 volts, which we're not getting anything. 3.3 we're getting nothing. And K1. Oh no, that's K1. Oh no, it's not. K1's this one. Is nothing. Ground we are. So we're not getting power to this board at all. He even said the audio jack don't work, which is this. So there's actually no power getting to here at all. So we've got two lots of wires. We've got all these multicolored wires there. And we've got these three whites. They don't look very nice. I don't know why it looks brown and nasty, but I'm guessing that's the flux or something. Let's see if we get any power on them on the blue side. Oh no, that is the blue side. Alright, the white side. The ones I've just done. So if I just put ground on ground. This one, nothing. This one, nothing. This one is nothing as well. So, yeah. Did the glue go conductive? I don't know. Can it? Let me have a look. I wouldn't have thought it would. I've got this brown stuff here. No. Then this is called the switchboard. So there's no power going to the switchboard. But do we get power anywhere else? Still drawing 400 milliamps. Right, let's see if we get in Wi-Fi, because he said, oh no, Wi-Fi won't get power. Is the board actually getting power? Sorry guys, I know you can't see at the minute. It's really, really awkward. Just want to see if we're getting power at the B plus and ground. Yeah, we're getting 12 volts there. Right, I'm going to try and zoom in for you guys, like literally really close. Some can see. What? It's going to be really grainy. Where did the coloured wires go? So the coloured wires go from the switchboard into down here. There. So there's more test points there. You got clock, CE, 9 volts, 3.3 and ground, which we're not getting any of that on the coloured parts. None at all. Wait, no, it doesn't. No, they're just different test points. What?
Lapfix subscribe to the channel.
Thank you, Lapfix. Let's see if we're getting any any voltages there. Is it really blurry for you guys? Can you read that? It looks very pixelated on my screen. That's what happens when it's zoomed in. Do we get it down there? What do you mean? Do we get oh the voltage? Yeah, that's what I'm checking. Ground on ground. Do we get 3.3? Oh, we almost did. Yeah, we get 3.8. That's a very that's quite a high 3.3. We're getting 3.8 there. 9 volts, we're getting 9 volts. CE, whatever that is, we're getting 0.6. Clock, we're getting 0.7, 0.6, which I guess is normal. And data, I can't get to data. Data right in the corner, which is not connected to that lead at all. We're getting 0.4. But that's nothing to do with this connector. This connector's different. Let me check the connector. I don't know which one's ground. Ground and positive. We're not getting nothing at the connector. So it seems like we're not getting anything. But I don't know if there's need to be on the. I don't know. Reseat the connector, check for continuity on the ends of the wires. Okay. Yeah, I'll try that. I'm going to zoom out a little bit because you guys won't see any of this. Take the connector off and see if it goes there. Yeah, I'll zoom out a little bit. That'll do. Yo, DJ Russell Russ, hello as well, by the way. Thank you. Take out the connector. The data is probably PWM. Yeah. Right, okay, so I kind of want to disconnect this ribbon cable, but all these other things are in the way. It does feel warm. The whole unit feels warm, so the board's getting power. Yeah, I can feel it. Right, let's take this connector off. Remember, there's two lots for this power switch board. You've got this one, and also you've got these white ones over here. So don't know what the white one's for. Oh, the white one's for the audio jack. That's the audio jack side. So if there's no power going to the switch, which is this side, I don't think it'll reach the power audio jack side, right? I don't know how it works. But yeah, let's see if we're getting. I want to disconnect this ribbon cable so bad. They've also used this glue. This is the sort of stuff they've done on that amplifier thing that I said earlier about. I tried to do it, but they've put some sort of mold in it. You can't do anything. Right, let me see if we are getting anything to the data pins, which that comes from this main chip here. I think the tracks look like it goes from there, which is annoying. No, it doesn't. Yes, it does. No, it don't. It goes through wires. Right, let me check. Where's ground? Ground's there. So do we get anything on this pin? Nothing. We are still pulling 400 milliamps. This one? Nothing. 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 PWM, I think it's power wave management. I want to say power wave management. Let's check continuity between the leads, although I think it's going to be fine. Blue on blue. Right, blue is ground. What the fudge? How does that work out? I don't know. This is so confusing. Blue is not ground. Just blue on blue. Oops. You guys can't see it, I know, sorry. I didn't expect it to be this awkward. Yep, we're getting continuity. The next one. Next one is green. What? Okay, so it looks like green's not getting anything. No, green's not getting anything. Oh yes it is, yep. I just wasn't in it properly. Then we got black, the next one. Yep. And red. Yeah. So those wires are fine, we're just not getting anything here. Oh, you're doing your best, don't worry about it. What do you mean? Oh, pulse width modulation. It's completely wrong then. Would acetone break down the glue without doing any damage? I don't have any acetone. Just need to separate this. I'm just going to do it. I'm just going to disconnect this cable. But before I do, I'm going to turn the power off. This is restricting everything that I do right now. Don't even know what the ribbon cable's for. There you go. Ah, we have some movement. What is the ribbon cable for? Don't know. Right. If we look under the scope, I'll try and show you. Oh right, I see what you mean. Yes, MK. Right, so here's the connector that's not getting any power on any of these pins. I'm ignoring all these because I don't think that corresponds to these pins, because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 there, and there's only 4 pins, so that doesn't correspond to that. But if we follow the traces, oh actually I don't know where they go. But we're not even getting any. Yeah, we are. We're getting those voltages. I thought 1, 2, 3, 4, but it's not those pins. I bet it goes under the board somewhere. Yeah, maybe from the other side. I think it is. So I'm gonna have to probably take this whole board out. Might have to take the whole board out. Where's my screwdriver? This is a mess. Where's my screwdriver? There it is. Wow, it's only 4 screws. Yo, Carther! Welcome again. Hello. Some like glue stuff on my hand. Remember, the power is off. What I don't understand is how is he still getting what does he say was still working? Bluetooth works, and so does the radio. How has this got a radio on it? And Bluetooth. How is he able to connect it to the Bluetooth and radio? Unless... no idea. I don't know how he gets Bluetooth and radio to work on it. And what don't work? No input, no input. So basically, Bluetooth and radio, I guess, is from his phone. Because this connects to an external speaker as well. He's given me a speaker that's iffy too. It's water damage. That's fine. So this connects to speakers, because I can see all the outputs here. You've got left rear speakers, right rear front speakers. So I guess Bluetooth, and that's through his phone, and it comes out of there. Radio as well, probably the same thing. But obviously the inputs for the USB port and audio jack, auxiliary, I guess it is, auxiliary port, is not working. Huh. Alright, let's get this off. Nope, these two are screwed down. What's that for the heatsink? No idea. Does that just slide out? That might just slide out. Oh, they've done it so I can't. Maybe if I do take these off. It's not an amp, it's a digital media locker. Apparently they're mostly used on boats because of the nature of the water, and it's supposed to make it so it's splash proof or waterproof. Right, that can stay with that. Oh, there you go. Oh my god, it's made it even more awkward for me. Oh my god. Well, there's nothing on the other side. But whereabouts are those tracks for here? There they are. Right. Oh, it's reading the exact same thing. It reads the exact same thing. It still says here, system power, 3.3, K1 and ground. Where the hell do they go? Let me see if I get any readings from this side. Oh look, is that a bridge rectifier there? No, I don't know what that is. It gets hot. Right, let's do 12 volts again. Okay, we'll pull in 335 milliamps now. Slightly less, probably because there's less things plugged in. I don't know actually. 295. In voltage. Ground. We're not getting anything at the system power. Nothing on 3.3. Nothing on K1. So there's still not. Maybe wires getting loose. So we're still not getting power there. That's what's getting warm. So there's definitely power going to this. I'm going to screw that down because there's nothing on the other side. And I don't like how that's getting warm. It's not hot, it's just very warm. Not very warm, but lightly warm. Yeah, just warm, okay? Reading his notebook. Looks like it powers on okay and works, but he's having problems with throughput. Yes, exactly. Also USB playback. Yeah, I would check the 3.3 cables. Yeah, but even the switch button's not working as well. Falcon. He said it used to be able to press the button and it would turn light up red, but there's no power getting to the switchboard at all. One, two, 3, 4. Spec 360. Hello. Yeah, top left of the screen. Yeah, Spec 360. What did you mean by about the liquid metal yesterday, by the way? I'm just curious what to look for. If that was you that commented. So, do you reckon... Oh, stop it. This is for pin number 1. That's pin number 2. Pin number 3. Pin number 4. And then this one goes to this point. And then the other one goes to the point next to it. There is a point down here. So maybe that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Which these then go under this wire. Damn it, it's hard to see. Now I've lost track. Damn it. Under those wires. Up through here, I assume. Across here. Black mark. Under here. Through here. Wait, maybe that's ground. That's one ground leg. Ground. 1, 2, 3. And then how the hell am I going to look for that under the board? Sometimes dry spots on liquid metal, always good to revise the area. I did. I cleaned the dry spot. You can see me shift all the liquid metal apart and then I scrub in the die itself and the other bit to dry off all the dry spots. 1, 2, 3. And I have to look under the other side of the board. Let me see if there's voltage getting there. So I'm assuming this is ground because of how big it is. And on here, no, we're not getting any voltage on there. Actually, we're getting 0.2 volts, 0.5. This one, 0.6. And this one, 0.5. So why are we not getting that? Probably because the resistors that are in its way, it's probably lowered the resistance right down and not coming out. I'm just going to use continuity to see if it is actually... Stop power. Use continuity to see if that is actually the correct wires for what I'm referring to. And it is. continuity now. So that's ground. No, it's not ground. No, what? That's not ground. What is that then? Right, the next one. No, it's not. Nope, none of these correspond to it. Can't really see, but I did give the blue and red wire 12 volts. No, I didn't. I didn't give 12 volts. Right, I see what you mean, Josh. Can I use a jumper wire from positive to positive on the blue wire? Just do another jumper wire to this one. I think I probably can. Alright, let's try it. What we got to lose? Blow the whole thing up. Yes, jumper both together. It's called accessory wire. Okay. It's like an enable wire. Well, this is going to be hard. I don't have another 12 volt. Hopefully that's in there. Sorry guys, hold on. Just gonna put my head in here a sec. Right, I think that's touching. I think they're both touching. Right, here we go. I'm gonna set it on. Oh, it's already on. I did that while it was on. Whoops. So I think they're both touching. Now if I... Do we get a red light if I press the power button? No. No change in amp draw. Any other voltage reading? Yeah, exactly. Oof. Whoops. On the wiring diagram, the blue wire labelled as 12V for power antenna, if that helps. Yeah, I think this is just for the Bluetooth chip. It goes straight, the blue wire goes straight to here, look. Or could it be this blue wire? Oh no, it's this blue wire. The bigger blue wire is... Yeah. Do you know what? I actually don't know. It's not that big. Oh, yeah, that is it. Yeah, the big blue wire. Let's see if that is getting 12 volts quick. Yeah, we're getting 12 volts there at 11.69. So the blue wire is getting voltage now. So now as we get in any on this connector, still the same situation. Nothing on this connector. Continuity between switch. If you look, it's got... Oh yeah, continuity. Let me try it, but there's no power going to the switch, DJ. So we'll try it anyway. Yeah, there you go. The switch is working fine. So that's switch off, switch on. Switch off, switch on. But there's just no power going to it. And also the auxiliary, which is here. And the USB. This is the USB. They must be all connected. I assume that's for USB. Probably. Yeah. Plug in the power switch and test it. Oh, is it not plugged in? No, it's not. Alright, I'll see what you mean. Hold on. It might need to be in to initiate. Right, here we go. Right, we'll put in 330 milliamps. Power switch. No. Still nothing. And make sure we're getting 12 volts still on the blue wire. Which we are. Red wire still getting 12 volts, yep. I think you stink. No, sorry. I'm just gonna have to probe around and see where else. Where does the black and red come from? There's obviously no power going from the black and red wire connector. So if I turn that off, continuity, and just try and find around the board where's the positive come from. Is it any of these? Yeah. Positive goes to this. I think this may have failed then. Was a controller chip? So power goes there. I wonder if we're getting power from that chip. That pin there. And then we've got black wire, that's obviously ground. So which one's ground? Yeah, all these are ground. Maybe not. They're not all ground. That one is though. Green. Buffering or what? Right, let's see if we're getting voltage at that pin here. No, is it this one? Yeah, this one. But we're not getting any voltage. This one. Yeah, it's literally 0 volts. Yeah, buffering goes in and out. I have dropped a few frames, 0.3%. But my Wi-Fi signal's really good. No, it's not. My Wi-Fi signal's pretty low. What? Hold on, let me move my antenna a bit. The Wi-Fi signal's quite low. It's kind of dropping everywhere. Right, hopefully that should help. I've got a much stronger Wi-Fi signal now. No, Wi-Fi keeps going low again. Okay, refresh worked for me as well. Okay, I don't know what that was about. But anyway, right, so seems to be there's no power coming from that chip. Let's see what chip it is. See if I can read any information on it. Where is it? What? Where's my finger? Oh, there it is. Right, the chip is a... Yep, that's what it is. It's this chip. Can anyone read that? 5M... Oh, how am I going to get that off? And let me... Oh, the power is off. Oh, why did they put paint over it? I think they do it to stop you from reading what it is, right? Might be YouTube, Andy. Yeah, might be. Probably a black marker would help that, wouldn't it? Let's go closer. See if we can read it. Can't read it. Oh, it is coming off if I scratch it. Okay, isopropyl is coming up, making it come off. Hold on. It's like Tipex. There we go. What's this? What? We're revealing it. Acetone with shift paint. Yeah. I don't have acetone. So we're getting there. It's clearing. It's a EW1036 325. I think that's an E. I want to scrape a bit more of that off. Sorry about this cringy sound. I think that is an E. Do you agree it's an E? Yeah, EW10. EW10 325. Have a quick look. Andy, check what DJ Rusty Russ wrote. I think I see a crooked resistor down the bottom. 2 seconds, just before I leave this out of my head. EW10. Nope, I've forgotten that. 325. 325. Chip. No, I didn't find anything. Alright, crooked bottom, crooked resistor around the bottom. Whereabouts? I think there's another number 0. Oh, I think I'll have a look. Or maybe not. Oh. Well, thank you anyway, DJ. I think it's this chip here that's not giving it output. This pin here, you can see where I've stabbed it a few times. That you think there's another 0. Oh yeah, there we go. EW1036. Right, there we go. Keep it there. EW1036 space 325. I think that's just the package number or something. 325. What? Weather? That's nothing to do with the weather. EW1036. There we go, got it. Data sheet. There we go. So apparently it's that can't be right. It's the AMD Krea KV260 Vision AI starter kit is ready out of the box for Vision application development. What? EW1036 datasheet. What? Can't really find it. No, not really. No, that's definitely not what it is. Is that an actual E though? Bit more IPA. Sorry, where the microscope's really close now, it's really wobbly. Yeah, that must be an E. Or is that a 1 next to the 3? I think that is another number. Yeah, that's a 1. Ooh, cheeky buggers. This is hard. Looks like a programmable MCU. Hello, Nandor, by the way. You think, yeah, I think that too, Cartha. What's that? Oh, Oscar, hello, good morning. Microcontroller. Damn it, I hope not. So it's a what? EW10361325. That last 4 digits probably not going to make a difference. It's more of the first part. 1325. No, there isn't nothing. I see. So if it's a microcontroller, they probably literally just programmed whatever they want on it. Oh. Let me check the ohms reading on it, on that pin. Red probe on ground. Is it this one? We're at 9.8 kilo ohms, and the one next to it is 5 kilo ohms. Can't remember which one of those two it was. 10 kilo ohms. Wait, I said diode reading, not bloody ohms. Hang on, let me go on to diode reading. 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. Oh, MK, how'd you find that, man? Likely function of the chip, main controller system on chip, digital media lockers, especially older budget ones. Chips often handles USB host. Oh, for God's sake. Did you find that online, MK? If so, then that does explain the fault. Like you said. Especially chips often handle USB host device control, which is exactly what this is connected to. And there's no voltage out from this chip. File system passing FAT32, whatever. Audio, video playback. Use cryptic markings, which makes sense. There isn't Carther, I don't think. I thought it might be that's this thing here. And if you found that, MK, then that probably is what the issue is. I gave chat GTP. Man, chat GPT is so smart. Right, okay, thank you. So I guess this is unrepairable. Unless it gets reprogrammed. Oh, well, that's a shame. Say that everything else gets warm. It's just no power to this switch. And but then it doesn't go to USB neither, which is probably controlling that too. Yeah, I think that's probably going to that ribbon cable. But is there 5 volts to the chip? I will check every single pin without shorting, okay? Fingers crossed to me. Right, we're on voltage DC, and I'm going to try. To be fair, the gaps are pretty big, so first one, no, nothing, that's probably ground. Second one, nothing. Third, nothing. Fourth, nothing. What the hell? Fifth. Oh, I'm not even on ground, guys. Let me do it again. First one, 0.040. That's quite low. Second one, that's very low as well. Third one, that's very low. I don't think it is getting voltage. Fourth is nothing. Next one, nothing. 0.16, that's very low. 0.018, very low. Nope. 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 It doesn't look like it's giving out anything. That's on one side. This is another side now. Nope. 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 It doesn't look like it, to be honest. It's not looking good. Do you know how the fault started? I don't, to be honest, Oscar. No. No. None of this... Oh, there you go. They're getting some voltage on that side. We're getting 2.3 volts. Three volts so far. And that's it on this side. Now the other side. No. 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 So I guess that was like the input side, 3 volts and all that, and this is the outputs. And this is going to the USB port as well. No. There we go, that's it. So it seems like it's getting 3.3 and whatever else it was, I can't remember. It does not seem to be getting proper voltage, so I wouldn't blame the IC. It also says check shorts near chip or reflow. I'm not reflowing the chip, there's no need to reflow the chip. However, I will go around looking for shorts though. Let me turn off the power. Alright, let's start off around the area. Right, there is a shorted cap already, but yeah, I'll zoom out a little bit. This cap in the corner. Here, I've got to beep this side. Oh, hang on, there's something in the way. This one and this one. And where does this go to? Oh, goes to there. But that's nowhere else is beeping everywhere. That's all fine. That's fine. This isn't ground neither. It shouldn't be. I'm on ground now. This one's not ground. I don't think they are supposed to be ground. That is not ground neither. The other top corner is not... Oh, that's ground up there though. Damn it, is that normal? Yeah, it must be. I think that might be VCC, the chip where it's shorted. Is that cap going to the crystal? It looks like it, maybe. No, maybe. It's hard to see, hold on. No, it's going on the... Oh, there's more stuff here. 3.3 rail. The RTX and... Oh, we got a diagnostic thing. RX and TX. That's cool. Oh, check the 3.3. Okay, I'll check the 3.3. Hold on, let me see if I can get under the scope. There we go. See it there? Ground. You've got TX and RX. I know it's a bit blurry for you guys. There you go. Right, injecting voltage or just turning the power supply on. Okay, so we've got ground. 3.3 is there, and we are getting 3.3. We are getting the 3.3. You are. I don't know what software to use for it. Should I just get the thermal cam out, see what I see what's glowing? Something might be glowing at 300 milliamps. Yeah, it gets. I don't see. Yeah, I don't see any 5.5 volt rails. 5 volt test points. It's only 3.3. And a 9 volt. 9 volt. We're not getting 9 volt though, neither. Are we getting 9 volts? Yeah, we are getting 9 volts. Yeah, yeah, we are getting 9 volts. What? What are you on about, secret squirrel? Yeah. Oh, okay, so it gets that then, huh? Yeah. Hello, Daniel Rock as well. Yeah, sorry, buddy. BWE. What? What? I'm not BWE. Somebody even said earlier, I can't remember who it was, says they thought I was BWE. What are you on about? Alright, let's look under the thermal cam. Right, I have to reopen the software. A world of, thank you, Oscar. That's what, I don't even know what this guy looks like, sounds like. All I know is he's Australian. Oh, for you are right, got you. Yeah. Right, okay, so yeah, that's not warming up at all. We've got a nice hot spot under here, which I don't know what that is. Is that a hot spot there? I mean, we'll have to, I think that's just reflection. But something's definitely warm under there. Let me go macro. Going in, boys. Whoa, what are these things? What's that? What is that? Remember, there's nothing on the other side of the board, so to be sure. I love the thermal cam. A reg. It looks like a, what is it, this bit? Yeah, it looks like a regulator. So is that output in the wrong voltage or not? Or is it just failed? There is a diode next to it. But that's the only thing that's getting warm on here. Wait, what's that down there? Just reflection? Yeah, just the chip's getting slightly warm. But that definitely looks suspicious in there, doesn't it? No, there's nothing on the other side, huh? There's nothing on there. V-Reg probably, might run hot normally. Well, I'm screwed. Let's check for diode readings. Hold on. Alright, let's check this V-Reg. V-Reg. Voltage reggae. Reggae. Right, where is it? You're under here. There you are. No, that's not you. Here. This is the one in question. Nothing, Oh yeah, I saw that, yeah. Just some white powder residue, there's nothing there. Okay. Alright, diode. On this point, we're getting a ground, which makes sense. This one, open line. This one, open line. What? How is that possible? Oh no, we're not. We're getting... Hold on. On this one, we're getting 0.022 volts. That's very low. Yeah, I'll measure voltage in a minute. That's very low. This one, open line. This one, ground. So we've got open line and a short, or can be a short. Let's check voltages. Oh, we are on. Never mind. The machine's still on. It was still powered up. Well, that skewed it a bit, didn't it? What are we getting there? Still getting 0.4 ground. Right, let's check voltages then. Right, so I don't know which one's the input and the output. Let's start off with the middle. Middle, we're getting 9 volts. This one, we're getting nothing. This one, we're getting nothing. Actually, 0.023. So it looks like there's 9 volts in and nothing coming out. And at the top here is 9 volts. So why is there nothing coming out, boys? 0 volts. 0.023. Okay, something is shorted or the regulator is bad. Right. Let me use continuity. See if there's a short on that reg. Short there. It's not short there. There you go. It just stopped. And short there. So because of the diode readings on this side was 0.0 something something, I'm assuming there'll be a short on that side. Let me try it again in diode. Where is it? That one. Yeah. Actually, we're getting ground on that one. This outer one. Yeah, we're getting ground on both of them. Which side do I inject voltage? Or do I just take off the regulator and see if it comes alive? Ground is on the right. Thank you, Carther. So it is the left side like I thought, because the voltage was very low when there was power going to it. It was like 0.002 something. Pretty sure. Ground is on the right. Do you know what? If we look at here, yeah, because that's 9 volts in, and then that side's got to be ground on the capacitor, which is also connected to this. Yeah, you probably are right. Hang on, I could just check in continuity on this resistor, capacitor. So that's ground and not ground. Yeah, so this side is ground, so it is this side. That's shorted. Right, so we're getting there, boys. Do you reckon I should inject voltage? Yeah, correct. Thank you. Lift regulator for short. Do you reckon I should inject voltage or just lift it off, risking burning all the cables? I would say lift first, then inject. Okay. Okay. How am I going to protect these wires? Alright, what I am going to do is put some leaded solder on there because I want this to come off as quick as possible. See, isn't this an interesting fix, guys? If short's still there, yeah. This is so different. And I'm learning to don't assume it's just the main chips. If it's receiving some voltage, I don't know, actually, I'm just chatting shit. Oh, that already looks like it's quite low melt solder anyway. So it's not going to take much heat at all to come off. Cool. I would do, how thin's the board? Pretty thin. I'll do 390. I am going to so melt these wires. Yeah, I like repair like this. Yeah, very interesting. I'm so going to melt these wires, guys. Yep, the wire's melting already. Only slightly. You can see that it's slightly melted it. Piece of metal in the way. What about this? Yeah, that should do it. That should be alright. I need somehow someone hold it. Can somebody hold it there, please, for me? Melty, melty. Yeah. Can someone just please hold this? Maybe I could wedge it. Nope. I'm gonna do something weird, alright? I'm on my way. Thanks, MK. I'm gonna stick it in my mouth to the other end of this tweezers. Mmm. Mmm. Oh shit, I knocked off the diode. Ow. Did anyone see where the diode went? Where did that diode go? Oh, I see it. Whew. Technique. It was. It hurt my lip. Alright, well, I'm going to leave this diode off for a minute. I know which way it goes. Right, let's see if... oh, I've got an email. Not interested. Right, let's see, guys. Is it gone? I don't know. Voltage drop was ground. Back into diode mode. Do we still get ground V droop? 3, 2, 1. Yes, we do. So it's still shorted. What? Yo, Cabby! Hey, baby girl, you okay? Did you have fun at school? So we've got blued. Now sweat. Well, I am sweating a little bit. It's hot. Good. I'm glad. I'll see you later. All right. Right. So we do have a short. So it is voltage injection time then. Agreed. Ground on that side and ground on that side. And if this goes to this chip, rip. Oh no, you guess. Oh, sorry, I got my white wire here. Yeah, if the chip is shorted, then rip. I'm just putting some solder on the end of it because I need it thick. No, I don't need it thick, I'm just like it thick. Alright, cool. Wait, we ain't got power still going to there, have we? No, power is off. Okay. We'll need more solder on here because I want it to grip to the crocodile clip. Just like that. So if I disconnect this, put that on there, reduce this 12 volts down to, I always like to start off with 50 millivolts this time. I keep calling it milliamps, it's not millivolts. Hoping for a shorted cap, but you know what, that would be so good. Ground, I need to ground it. Where's a decent ground? I wonder if I can clip it onto here. Right, I think that's on ground. Right, here we go. I'm going to apply 50 millivolts. We're getting 500 milliamps. That's pretty high for 50 millivolts. So if we double that, that'll probably be a 1 amp draw. Where's my thermal cam? Guys. Oh, it's back in the drawer. Oh yeah, thank you for the like, whoever just liked it. If you're enjoying this stream, please do hit the like button. I've got to get used to saying that. Okay, just got to set it up again. Thank you, Cabby. Wow, the whole thing's still hot. Hang on. I think the board's still a bit too hot to point out. It's hard to tell, the board's still too hot. Thank you, Oscar. Oh, my thermal cam disconnected somehow. Hang on. Damn it. My dodgy cables. Alright, we're back alive. Alright, anything looks suspiciously hot there. It doesn't. Thank you, Cartha. Right, that doesn't look hot there where the wire is. Maybe that capacitor there? Or not? No, that capacitor looks fine. Yeah, I know. I need it right now. I can't find anything. Shall I up the voltage a little bit more? Yeah. I'll do it to 1 volt. Oh, hang on. Hang on a minute. My thing's come off. I think something's disconnected. It's not. No, it's not. What? Hang on a minute, guys. That's weird. Everything just suddenly shut off when my multimeter went off. Yeah, look. There you go. It wasn't on. See it? You see that, guys? It is the chip. Or it could be that capacitor. Tried to call the board, it's too hard to tell. It's either that big cap or that chip. There is a very specific heat spot. Remove that cap. Yeah, it's right next to that bit there. Hopefully it is the cap. Alright guys, alright, I'm doing it. Jeez, I have to shout. Alright, let me turn off the voltage injection. There you go. Fucking hell. Oh, it's a resistor. Wait, which one was it? That big one right next to the voltage thing, yeah? I think that's a resistor. See it? That big black one. The hot one. I think that one was the hot one. Or was it this cap here next to it? It was going vertical down. It was going, yeah, vertical. Oh, it's the chip then. Yeah, let me check that resistor, see if it's short on there. Just to make sure that is the correct one. Yeah, it's that resistor. And what ohms are we getting on the resistor? 0 ohm resistor. And it goes straight to the chip. It's fine, I don't need to check. I could just Tell you what, quicker, easier solution is just use my phone. It works better on my phone anyway. Oh, hang on, it's not on ground. Right, we're getting 50 millivolts, and that I don't know if you can't see it. Let me move this up a bit. Oh, it's going darker because my auto. I said it works better on my phone, but the auto brightness keeps changing. Right, hey, where'd it go? There. So that one there, which is there, and it is yeah, it's that resistor. So it's a bad chip. So at least we confirmed the fault. Yeah, it still means the chip's foobar. Could be an inductor too. Hello, Chris. I'm working on this. Look, it says. There you go. But unfortunately, the controller chip has died. Half of the things are working, half isn't. Now I've got to put it back together. That's annoying. I've got to put these chips back on. I could do it. It's not around anything, is it? But yes, you are right. I can remove the chip. Who reckons I should remove the chip? Just to triple confirm it, although we don't need to. Yeah, one in the chat if you think I should remove the chip. Never reassume. Do it. One. There's 3 ones. That's not enough. There's 26 people watching. 4 ones. You can't vote twice. Stop voting. You won't be able to sleep at night. Oh my, Tracy said yes as well. I'll just do it. Do it for the doubters. Okay, I'll do it. Although I've got to put 3 chips back on now. Now this is where I'm going to knock all the components, and he still wants this working at the end of it, you know. Oh, I've lost my tweezers now. Oh, there they are. God damn it, stop it. Right. Good job I know the orientation, because I remember trying to scrape it off for ages trying to read it. Alright, that chip's gone. Short be gone, or short stay strong. Alright, I'm in continuity so you guys can hear it as well. Should have done a poll so we... Oh yeah, a poll, yeah. That would have been better, right? I forgot about that. Here we go. You should hear the beep. 3, 2, 1. You should hear the beep, guys, but you don't. Short doesn't stay. Short's gone. So it was directly to the chip. And just to confirm, we should have 9 volts, no beep. Yep, that's the 9 volt in. Ground. And voltage out. Or whatever that chip's deciding for it to do. I don't know how it works. Can't bin it, it's not mine, Chris. It's a customer's. I just said one to get more. I know you probably did, Cartha, yeah. More content. Damn it. I've got to put that back on now. I think there's a short on there too. Yeah, I bridged it, look. God damn it. Did I bridge that, or is that normal? I think that's normal. But the others don't look it. But the others don't have a no connect next to it. I think that's a no connect. Yeah, probably normal, yeah. I said one because I believe in Andy. Yeah, but I knew the short would still be there. The chip was glowing. I believe in a thing called love. Ooh, great. Bridge there too. This is going to be hard to put into position. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, that'll do. It'll flow into place. Sean, hello. Hi, welcome. Top left bit. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I'll sort that out. Just want to get these bottom ones sorted first. Just get them filled up a bit. For some reason they're not filling up. A bit weird. Oh, stop it. Can't see what I'm doing even. Is the bridge gone? I think it is gone. Yeah. Yeah, bridge is gone. Hoping these are all connected. That'll do. Loads of floaty stuff everywhere. Where does this go? Right under here somewhere. Oh, so sticky, man. Right. How am I going to hold that there while coming in with the soldering iron with the wrong hand? Oh my god. Let's do this. Let's do this. Whoa, 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 whoa. Stop wiggling. Oh, I'm melting that. Oh my god, I can't do it with my left hand. I just melted that cap. Melted the capacitor a little bit. I know it's only the outer casing, but still. Oh, this is so stupid. Oh, for God's sake. Oh, Jesus crikey, mate. Do you know what? I'm so dumb. Why don't I just separate the wires like this? Wait, where is it? Oh my god. Why am I so stupid, guys? Look at that. Oh my god. I could have just moved the wires on the other side. Damn it. Oh wow. Still not sitting down where it needs to be. That'll do. It's soldered down. Even unplugged the wires. No. I mean, I can, but it's kind of hard to. I can unplug them, I'm just being lazy. But yeah, you're right, I could have even unplugged them. Do you know what? I'm just going to do that because I'm just going to use hot air because at this point it's just becoming too much of a struggle. Just standing up. Try and pull these cables out. Oh, why won't it come out? It looks like it's. No, they won't come out. Don't worry, I got it. I got this. It's fine. I got this. I got this. Here we go. You guys can't see it. Where is it? Oh, is it? Where is it? Where is it for you guys? What? What? Why can't I get it under the scope? Ah, there we go. There it is. Watch this. Yeah. Not very straight, but it's on there. Wait, no it's not. Both at the same time, are you crazy? This is terrible. What's going on? All because of these stupid cables, man. Well, that's that soldered. Cool. Now this, I still don't like this diode being this squiff. There we go. Now it's straight. Jesus. There you go, good as new. Look at that. I can't even tell it's been taken off. Right, well, that's that done then. Good as new, except for the fact that it still doesn't work. I mean, it works, but it won't. Just give it back in a pack. Or just like as it is. But yeah, there you go, mate. It's not fixable. It does semi-work, DJ. There's apparently Bluetooth mode on it and something else works. Oh no, now I've got to try and get this ribbon cable back in. Oh no. Oh no. I wish I never did take that out now. Oh actually, hang on. Are you gonna go in there nicely? Huh. Dunno. Oh, I got it in. Did you see that slide in? What is it? It was a ribbon cable. If that's what you mean. Or you're on about the whole product. Oh, sorry, Cartha. 2 seconds. Let me rewind. Right, Cartha, look. Right, see? Ribbon cable's out. Right, watch. Look carefully. Don't blink. Right, watch this. Watch this. Watch this. God damn it. Didn't work this time. Oh, there you go. Straight in. Whoops. Yeah, that's in. See? And it's clamped down. Do you see that? Yeah, it's a media locker, yeah. Next was the switch. Oh, it does go that way around. Oh, you're welcome. So I was in the bathroom. No, MK. It's too late now. It's put to bed. I didn't think you would plug it again. It was easy to go in, so I knew it would be easier to put back in again. Uh-oh. I'll come back to that screw in a minute. The screw fell down. Can I zoom out a little bit now, guys? Don't think you need to be this close. I know you were messing, I know. Stay like that. Doesn't matter. Well, I need to get this other screw out. There it is. Well, thank you for helping me find that short. Well, it's the thermal cam that found it, but still. For suggesting. I've got to screw down this board. Hopefully the Bluetooth mode still works on it. I wouldn't see why not. Jeez, I'm gonna have to get a drink in a minute. Now, why do I have a feeling this ribbon cable's wrong around? Is it the wrong way around? Would it be twisted like that? Can anyone rewind the stream and see which way the ribbon cable should be, please? Oh, oh no, 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 no. It should be fine. I think it goes in this way. Actually, I really don't know. I really don't know at this point. Like, what have I done? What? All this is supposed to be fed through here. And I've done it wrong. Ribbon cable is flat. I've got to take it out one more. I have got to take it out. I have got to take it out anyway. But is it blue side up? I assume it would be, because why would they put the blue tab upside down so you can't push it in? This needs to come out, and so does this. And then, wait, I didn't take that out though. Oh yeah, that is correct. Now does the rubber, oh my god. Was there a rubber bit between here? I assume there is, because it's very wobbly. So rubber piece. Over here. Like that. And this goes over rubber piece. No? No, that's not right. Rubber piece. Oh, hang on. It doesn't seem like it's sitting right. I don't think that's... No. Ah, you need to take it out again. I wonder, do your customers watch your streams? Some of them do. I say to them, look, I recorded yours on my YouTube channel. Feel free to watch it if you want. But other times, no. Okay, so I think this rubber thing goes across here like that, yeah. Okay, so this rubber thing's on here. This looks like it doesn't have a gasket in between. This is actually turned around the wrong way. There you go. Perfect. We're getting there now, boys. This ribbon must be flat this way, yeah. If I could get it in again without the tab closing, which it has. I won't call myself a YouTuber anyway. I'll just not even a content creator. I'm a YouTube partner. Great. Now I'm struggling to get the cable in. Oh no. Why? Oh, yep, it's in. Good. Cool. What's the difference? A YouTuber, in my opinion, somebody who's solely just pure YouTube for their money, income, and all that stuff. That's their thing. YouTubers, purely YouTube. I'm doing this for my business and to help. Well, just for the communication side of it. That's my interpretation. Nearly there, just trying to get this gasket back on.
Christopher Gomez subscribed to the channel.
Thank you, Christopher. And hello, buddy. Right. No. Yeah, that's it. There you go. Now it's these long ass screws. Oh, bye, Cabby. Love you. See you later. Oh, come on, man. Why does that look pinched? There you go. Oscar, what? Oh, I squish worms. Hello. Why are you only saying hello to Oscar for, not me? Oh, nice, still live. Oh yeah, I am back to hinder I may help. Too late now. We found the fault. We confirmed it twice, although it was unnecessary. And it's unrepairable. He's had it for a good few years. I think he said about like 7-8 years. So, okay, cool. Alright, I think that's everything then. Back to the way it was, apart from this audio jack connector. Now, the next one to do is part 2 of this. Zoom out a little. No, I think it needs to be reprogrammed with their own stuff. So it's not a matter of just buying the chip, you have to get it reprogrammed. Which is a shame. I assume. Okay, so this only has green wires, so I don't know if it's still reading. I'm about to check it, see if it's got any ohms. It is a 4 ohm speaker. So let's go into needs to be programmed. Yeah, what is it? MCU. Yeah, MCU. Right, I know it's terrible. Do we get 4 ohms? We do. So what's his problem? I don't know what his problem is. Why does he want me to clean him up? How would you clean him up without damaging the wires? It does seem good, so I don't know why he wants me to clean up the wires. Yeah, speaker's fine. Yeah. If I show you under the microscope what he wants me to do, where is it? Look, it's just gone a bit green. You can't really tell underneath here. And maybe if I turn it there and like this. Look, see, it's just the wire's got a bit green. It looks silver on there, but I know it does look kind of green. But honestly, it's fine. Because isn't this just a coating anyway? It's not the actual wire inside. Probably dirt in the coil. Could be blown though. That was what it means, physically broken driver. Thing is, if it is working, which the readings seem fine, I don't really want to risk snapping it. bin. Chris, you can't keep saying that, mate. You can't keep saying bin. It's not mine. Try the sound. Put it in a ultrasonic cleaner. No, you can't do that. It'll ruin it. Oh, it does actually, yeah, it does. But I don't think I'm going to risk putting it in there. How am I going to connect sound to it? Hook up some wires and touch a AA battery. Let's hear it go poof, poof. What does the membrane look like? Yeah, it looks clean. Well, and let me try and do it under the scope somehow. Yeah, it's probably not resistant to submersion. Wait, where is it? How can I get it under here? What the actual... Why can't I... It's fine. It's not the best angle I can get, but it looks clean. To me, it just looks like the just the water or moisture in the air may have just made that wire go a bit funny. But it all seems clean, even... Sorry about the dog. This is just pure clean. The actual cone. Apart from there. I don't know what he wants me to do. Yo, Blue. Hello, Blue. All blue, nothing but the blue. No, I don't know what he wants then. It does look absolutely fine. Yeah, I know. It is an odd request, yeah. I think he's just worried in case it does go funny. I mean, I will put a bit of isopropyl alcohol on it and try and scrub it, but I don't think it's going to touch it. I'll let him know, look, you're still getting good readings on it. He said he tried to get some solder in it, using soldering iron. Why, I don't know. He said he melted a bit of the plastic. I don't see any melting. Nah, this ain't touching it. I don't want to snap the wires. The front does, yeah. Plastic cover does come off. Somehow. Looks like it's a twisty jobby maybe. Or a prying jobby. Let's see if I could pry it off. Without scratching it. Where's my plastic one? Yeah, I know, but there's nothing you could do about it. No, I don't want to risk trying to get that off. Slip and damage the cone. Nope, I'm just going to say to him, look, it's a perfectly working speaker, mate. I could put some conformal coating on it, some solder mask. And cure it, maybe. Yeah. No solder mask? Why would that affect it or something? No wires meant to be... oh yeah, of course, yeah. Forgot about that. The speakers flex. Yeah, I just won't charge him for that. I'll just charge him for the time for the whatever it is. Sold. What's it called? Digital media locker. Yeah. The wires need to stay flexy. What Baz says. Yeah, alright guys, I get it. Glad you guys are here, honestly, otherwise I'd make a right mess of everything. Well, at least I know for a future. Alright, unfortunately though, I am going to end it there for the day. And yeah, do you know that OLED board, by the way, that I was trying to do on stream? It boots. It boots. Don't know what's wrong with it. It works now. But anyway, yeah. Sorry, I digress. Thank you, MK. Yo, Andy, the Switch Lite is working great. Fantastic. Have you been on Tinfoil and got many games off of there? What? The one with 10k? What's 10k? No, 10k? I can't remember what 10k was. Cheers, Andy. Thank you, John. Yeah, thank you, Ice Squish Worms. And Claw Slug. Chris, thank you. OLED was reading... Oh, no, not that one. No, that one's gone. I gave up with that one. Yeah, I had to research some of the games before downloading. You could just press Y over the game and it'll tell you the information of the game and the file size and everything. Well, thanks for the stream. No, you're welcome. No worries. It was good. DJ Rusty Russ, yeah, you're still here. Tim, yo. Tim, if you just come in, I'm going now, mate. Sorry. But no. Yeah, really. That's all you had to do. Bye, Sean. Thank you as well, buddy. The crew are here. Yeah, the crew's always here. Bye, Peter. Bye. Right, I'm going now, guys. I'm dying for a drink. My mouth's going dry and I'm hot. Yeah, Blue. Bye, Blue. Bye, guys. I'm ending the stream in 3. No, that's 3. 3. My soldering experiments. Thank you. 3, 2, 1.